If you manage a website, work with a developer, or want to give someone access to your hosting without handing over your full login, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to share Hostinger access safely, step by step, using the built-in account sharing feature in hPanel. This is a super useful option when you need to let a team member, freelancer, or client help with your website, domains, or email services while keeping control of your account. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account by going to hpanelhostinger.com. Once you're inside hPanel, take a look at the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Account Sharing. Click that to open the sharing settings. This is where Hostinger lets you invite another user to access parts of your account without sharing your password. Next, you'll land on the account sharing page. Here, click the Give Access tab if it isn't already selected. Then click the Give Access button to begin creating the invitation. Now Hostinger will ask you who you want to give access to. In this field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Just make sure that person already has an active Hostinger account because the invitation can only be accepted by an existing Hostinger user. Once you enter the email address, move on to choosing what kind of access you want to give. This part is really important because it controls exactly what the other person can see and manage. Under Select Services and Send Invitation, Hostinger gives you two main options. You can share all services if you want that person to access everything in your account, or you can restrict access to only specific services like a certain hosting plan, a domain name, or an email account. If you only want help with one website, it's usually better to limit the access so the person only sees what they need. After that, choose the access level. Hostinger typically gives you two roles, admin and collaborator. Admin access gives the person more control, including the ability to manage services and even make purchases on your behalf using your existing account balance. That's powerful, but it also means you should only use it with someone you trust completely. Collaborator access is usually the safer choice for most people because it's designed for technical tasks like managing websites and services without giving access to billing details or account changes. So if you're hiring a developer or asking someone to help troubleshoot a site, Collaborator is often the best option. Once you've selected the services and the access level, click Give Access to send the invitation. Hostinger will email the person directly, and they'll need to open that email and click Accept Invitation before the access becomes active. Until they accept, they won't be able to log in and use the shared services. After the invitation is accepted, they'll be able to access only the areas you allowed, which makes this a clean and a secure way to collaborate. And that's it. You now know how to share Hostinger access the right way. You can invite a teammate, a freelancer, or a client, choose exactly what they can access, and keep your account protected at the same time. If this video helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.